Hey, what's going on? How would you like to earn $100 per day chatting with strangers? And the good thing is, you could get paid via PayPal. So, welcome. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. And on this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn $100 chatting with complete strangers and getting paid via PayPal. So, if it's your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is indeed my YouTube channel. So just come through here, you'll see a ton of videos that you can go through. I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and just different ways of affiliate marketing. So I know you're probably searching online and you're looking for a way to make some money. And I'm going to show you can make $100 per day just by chatting with people. And the good thing about this, you do not need any experience whatsoever. And I'm going to share with you how you can apply and some of the requirements that you're going to need for you to get started. So once again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And you're looking for my #1 recommendation, I highly recommend check out the first link in the description because I'm just going to send that over to you if you want to make $200 to $300 per day consistently and make some passive income as well. So let's dive into it right away and let's get into the video. So some of the requirements that you're going to need, you need no experience or a college degree required. That's the good thing. You don't need any of that stuff, and they'll probably ask you, but I'm going to show you how you can override the system, right? So you get paid to chat with people that English learners, so they want to learn English. So for this one, if you don't know English, if you're not fluent in English, unfortunately this is not going to be something that's going to work for you, because these are people that are looking to learn English. So if you're good in English, this is going to be perfect. You can set your own hours whenever you want, and you can work whatever time. And this is worldwide. So platform that you can join, and what you need, you're going to need a smartphone. You're going to definitely need a tablet or a high-speed internet on your computer, and be willing to chat with people and to practice their English. So these people want to learn English, so you got to always have to talk to them and so they can learn. And this company is going to track how much time you spend, so that's where you can make $100 per day. So let's show you exactly what I'm talking about. So the website that I'm talking is cambly.com. So learn English at the touch of a button. So people come on here, they want to learn English. They have an app as well. You can download an app on your phone, whether you got an Apple or you have an Android. You can even download the app. So learn to speak like a native. You have to be a native English speaker. Even though it's worldwide, they're looking for people who can speak excuse me, English properly. So Cambly tutors are dynamic native for US, Canada, UK, Australia. Connect with your perfect tutor in under 5 seconds. So even though that they list this area, they're looking for people worldwide. So you come down here, you can see their plans, and to get most of your classes, there's video recording. So if you want to go on video, that's going to be cool too, because people want to learn new vocabulary. They want to see the different pronunciation, because some people read with lips, believe it or not. Speak without fear. So you can, in chat translation, allow to type in your native language whenever you get stuck. So as I said before, you work on your own schedule. Reservations, there's courses, all that type of stuff. So here are some reviews that already people giving testimonials about how great this company is. It's seen in Forbes and different magazines. These are some of the English teachers that come on here and they will teach. Now, if you'd like to sign up, you can click on the sign up button right here, and then you can fill out this information. This is for if someone would like to sign up to get tutored by someone who already know English. So they also have kids, right? Learn to speak English. So kids come on here, or family, there's one-on-one instructors, there's custom scheduling courses for 4 to 15 years old. Start them speaking English early. So people are applying for these, and they just come on here and they can click on how we teach. There's a schedule, they can schedule their trial. So you see how the customers can come on here and get signed up. Now, if you want to sign up, just come over here and you want to click on where it says Cambly/en/tutor. So Cambly.com/en/tutor. I'll probably leave this link in the description so you could just click on it anyway. So check out the description. I'm going to leave it for you so that way, because I know most of you probably will not get it, but I'll leave the link down below. So get paid to chat with people around the world, just like how I said. You make $100 per day just by doing this. So tutoring with Cambly is fun and it's rewarding. No experience is needed. As I said before, this is what they will be asking. So this is the bonus. There will be some questions about like certification and teaching experience that you might have, but it's just fact gathering. They just want to gather information. So neither one is necessary. If they ask you for it, you don't have to panic and be like, well, they need a certificate or some teaching experience. No, they don't. They will ask for it. If you have it, that's great. And then what they're going to do, they're going to review your application and they'll get back to you with a yes or with a no. So if you do get accepted, you're going to get paid. So while you chat to your students, we automatically track your time. So they have a tracker and they pay 17 cents US dollars per minute. So that's $10 an hour. If you do a 10-hour day, that's $100 right there. For me, I like to grind and get things done. If you don't have that much of a time, let's say you have a job and you want to do this, not 2-3 hours in, you can make like $30 just by doing this. So you can work anytime, anywhere. You make your own schedule. You work as little as you want and as much as you want, just like I said before. And you can log on online whenever you have the free time to start talking, within minutes. So there's people all over the world with different time zones, and meet interesting people. You could chat with people from around the world, learn their culture. In an hour tutoring, you might meet someone from Brazil, Saudi, Russia, all over the world. So if you want to get started, you click on here and then you just fill out this application. So the country I'm looking for, okay, so to become a tutor, so you put your information here, put your name, put your email. All right, once you put your email, you click on here where it says country, and you want to change whatever country that you're located. So even though you see US here, a lot of people come here and they're like, wait, what's this? It says US, but I can't sign up, because they're clicking on here. They don't think it can change. So click on the side here and make sure you scroll through. Once you scroll through, you find your country, put in your number, create a password, your date of birth. How did you hear about it? It is optional. You could put YouTube, Andre. Woo-hoo. I'm not getting paid for that anyways, but you could put YouTube. And how did you hear about it? You could just click on here. I'm a native English speaker. So you have to be a native English speaker in order for you to do this. That's the only thing. They want to make sure that you're a native English speaker. So if you're really good at English, maybe you could prove yourself and send them a video with your application. Send them some recording of you reading a book and just let them know, here's my audio tape. Whatever you have that you can get the job done, and whatever you need to submit to get your application, please submit it, because the more information that they have, the better chance you have of applying. So that's all you got to do. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. I'm going to leave this link down below so that way you could sign up for it, and you can, if you do sign up for it, you can get started. And I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You're looking for my #1 recommendation online, you know what to do. Check out the first link in the description. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.